Back to this video from strongfencing.co.nz. We're looking at this Coloursteel gate today. It's about a 1.6 high Coloursteel gate, and it's got a 100mm 100 by 50 bottom frame. It's a sliding gate, and it has this one subdivision in the middle. Normally we use the Aztec sheets, which is it's more of a trapezoid shape, but this customer wanted to use a different sheet, so we've got the corrugated iron sheet, you can see, and it's got this U channel which receives the sheet at the top. I've also put this lockable latch on top so they can actually lock the gate when they go away. So this is the end catch, and it's put in with this RHS post, heavy duty post, and then also we have these top rollers. The ground of this gate was slightly sloped away, so we had to cut the bottom of this gate at a slight angle. It's only about 50mm, but it just means that the top of the gate can be super flat. It also has this rub rail, which I recommend you should get a rub rail. This rub rail, as you can see, the rub rail stops the rollers from rubbing on the brand new powder coating that you put on. So if you don't have a rub rail, it's probably not a good idea. So always best to get these gates made properly, or else you can regret it a few years from now with all the paint's rubbed off. So I'll show you how that goes. I've also put this this lock bolt. It's a lockable drop bolt, so it can be secured in the open and closed position. So that's what that looks like from the inside. And also we had to dig out this concrete strip and pull this concrete strip down behind this little mini retaining wall. We only do that if you have you're digging into the actual garden when it goes flat, because remember, whatever this pitch is here has to be continued through there. So that's what the Coloursteel gate looks like, sliding gate inside a timber fence. If you're interested in something like this, give us a look at strongfencing.co.nz, and we have a quote form there. You can just fill that out and somebody will come out and see you and give you a price. Okay, have a great day, bye.